which I did pay $35 for this because it is the premium box. It's a monthly subscription, and I feel like bravo. Bravo.
I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up. 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 Ooh, I like that little spin I did on the end. Hey y'all, this is britneyschanel back with another Boxycharm unboxing. Woo! And the crowd goes, wow. Y'all, it is for real. What is it? August 9th. And I already have my premium box. Come on, Boxycharm. Now, to be fair, I did get it sent to my sister's house because I'm here visiting in Georgia. And she lives in Lawrenceville and is from Kennesaw, Georgia. So that may be why I got it so fast. But I was like really uber excited about it. That is the fastest I have ever received a Boxycharm. So it's the night. This is the Boxycharm Premium. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. I don't know why I'm ill prepared. I definitely should have gotten, which I can't even get this open. I'm about to use the end of my makeup brush to get it open. I definitely should have gotten the, which that didn't work. That was a failure of ultimate proportions. So now I'm just peeling the tape. But I definitely should have gotten scissors, especially since I did all this to sit down and film this. I definitely knew what I was about to be getting myself into. So, once we get this bad boy open, we're going to get right into it. How have y'all been? I've been... Gosh, I cannot get this open. Y'all really make this secure, Boxycharm. Y'all do not want anybody opening these here boxes. Ooh, I finally got it. Now, I'm going to try to pop the card out without, peeking. But this is the Boxycharm Premium. If you can see that there. Oh, let's take a picture. Let's see which one ends up being the thumbnail, though. Okay, so this month's theme, I'm not peeking, y'all. This month's theme is Glam Vibe. This month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. Okay, which I'm about that. I'm feeling it. I have variation number 9, which is also pretty low because I usually get a larger number. I can't wait for my Luxe box to come. There are some items in there I'm really excited about. I'm not that excited. Nothing this month with the premium really was like, ooh, your girl has to get that, but we're gonna see. So first thing comes straight out of it. I don't know what it is, but it's hard. It is the Cinnabons. Come on, it's the Cinnabon scrub. It says, who makes this? This definitely is not in alphabetical order. Y'all bear with me. Frank Body. Ha! Found it. Frank Body. It says, my Cinnabon scrub gives your skin the love it needs to fight winter breakouts, dryness, and blues with antibacterial properties and natural ingredients. Exfoliates, fights breakouts, tones, and smooth skin. Made with roasted coffee grind, sweet almond oil, honey, and cinnamon. This retails for $18.95. It looks pretty simple to use. I'm going to try it out and let y'all know in a future video. Again, that retails for $18.95. Now, I must say, I'm excited about this. This is Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, I'm here for the packaging. I love a queen. Okay, just place the crown right here. I love a good queen. I'm here for the packaging. I love that it has all different shades of women in there. If you can see up close, it has like a fair, then a medium, and a dark skinned chick. Love it. Let's pop it open. I love the packaging. I'm here for it. And it says on there, a queen lies in all of us. Okay. This retails for $45, y'all. Oh no, she's here for it. Normally I give away the Boxycharm palettes, but I'm here for this. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and use that. It looks amazing. It comes with a nice full mirror. The packaging is amazing. I've never heard of this brand, but your girl is gonna use it, and I'm gonna let y'all know if it is in fact worth the $45 it says it retails for. So that's item number 2. So next I have this Kitsch. Is that how y'all pronounce it? Y'all let me know. This Kitsch ice roller. It says ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. It says this ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increases blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. So we have that. It was only $18, so we'll see. Y'all, I know I'm like in the minority on this, but I really am not all that into any of Milk Makeup's product. But here we have the Milk Makeup highlighter. And here it goes. See that Milk Makeup highlighter? And it says Milk Makeup Highlighter, a dewy everyday champagne pearl hued cream highlighter stick that glides on for, glides on for a natural glow. So this is the item that I picked doing choice. I picked it because I kind of felt like all the Milk items that I've tried prior to this, outside of the Hydro Grip Primer, have been pretty blah. So I wanted to give it another try without having to invest any of my own coins. So I'm definitely going to try that out and let y'all know. What else do we have? This is Emma Hardy. Is that correct? Because sometimes the name on here be different than on here. So I be trying to decide which one should you go with, Brittany, which one. This is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. Oh, I'm just putting that there like y'all can see. Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It says it increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant production. Not production, y'all. Protection. Antioxidant protection. Say it with me. Antioxidant protection. Okay, so it's going to protect. Okay, not produce. Protect, not produce. Let's see. And it comes in a nice little serum bottle, I think, if I could get it out. Oh, yeah, I'm here for it. I'm going to try this, too. Okay, Premium Box coming through with some stuff I'm actually going to try versus giving away. Come on, Premium Box. Ah! Y'all, she's klutzy today. But that was graceful the way I got up. It was like slow-mo. Wait, I'm supposed to do a hard muscle when I slow-mo. Hold on. Wait, I watch all these like TikToks on how to create different TikToks because I'm trying to like get my TikTok going at britneyschanel, by the way. But that was a fail on the slow-mo. And I literally just watched a slow-mo tutorial today, but your girl ain't got it down pat. So, whatever. Again, that retails for $55 for that serum. And I'm going to try that out. The only thing I'm not going to try out so far is that ice roller because I already have one. Maybe that's not what I chose, this highlighter. I think I chose this. So I'm happy I got the Milk Makeup too because I was definitely thinking that I did not want to spend any more money, but I wouldn't mind trying a few more of their things. But I definitely chose these Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. Hide my eye so this camera won't focus on me. Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. I definitely chose this. This is a Marc Jacobs Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. It says, give your highlight a shot of skincare. Inspired by Marc Jacobs' love of coconut water and the glow of youthful, radiant... That was a mouthful. Youthful, radiant... Oh gosh. Well-hydrated skin. This luminous gel cream instantly lightens up your complexion. Well, I'm not trying to lighten up my complexion. You know, she's melanated and loves it. Y'all, I'm really choking right now. Please forgive me. Oh, gosh. That's not cute, Brittany. So it kind of looks like a foundation. So I'm guessing it's like a liquid highlighter. Maybe they should change the terminology from lightens to brightens, okay? Because I'm here for it brightening and giving me a nice glow. You know, I use a Fenty highlighter, Mean Money today. But I'm here for that, which this is the packaging. It is a glass bottle, I do believe. Hide my face. Okay. With the little plastic top. I like the packaging. Very sleek, very nice. But I wish it says it brightens instead of lightens, because when I think of lightens, I think like skincare, under eyes, not something that I would put on as a highlighter. So that to me is a misnomer. But, you know, I'm not on Marc Jacobs marketing team. Are you? But if you want me to bring, hit me up. Okay, britneyschanel@gmail.com. Business inquiries only. So yeah, again, that retailed for $45, which I do think is a lot. Where's my phone? Y'all can never find my phone in these videos. I'm just a klutz, y'all. Let me get that calculator popping so we can see what we're really working with. That's a camera. Okay, she could take a selfies and she got it up. Y'all, how do y'all take y'all selfies? Do y'all use portrait or no? So I try to do both, because sometimes I feel like portrait is better, and then other times it's obviously not. Don't I look so innocent? Let me do my sexy face. Oh, we getting off topic, y'all. Y'all know a Britney Chanel video can't stay on track. Anti-ways though. Britney, get it together. Let's go to the calculator. So we have the Queen eyeshadow palette, which honestly I think I'm most excited about from the packaging alone. I really like the colors in there, and that retails for $46. The Marc Jacobs Beauty Dewdrops Coconut, which I did choose as my choice item this month, $45. The Brilliance Facial Oil, $55. The Kitsch Ice Roller, $18. The Milk Makeup Highlighter, $28. The Frank Body Cinnabons Oil. I like the Cinnabons, and they spelled it B-U-N-S. Okay. $18.95. So this box has a total retail value of $210.95, which I did pay $35 for this because it is a premium box. It's a monthly subscription, and I feel like bravo Boxy, because last month I really enjoyed my base box. This premium box, I'm not getting a base box because I'm going to be getting the Luxe. Keep your eyes open for that video. It'll be coming as soon as they give it to me. But I am really happy with this premium box. Definitely got my money worth. There are like 4 out of the 6 items that I'm definitely going to use and try. So I'm excited about it. Come through, Boxycharm. Okay. Let me know what you think. What variation did you get? Did you get better items than me? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, so I can make more of these cool videos. So I went up in your block just for reparations, okay? Don't sleep on Nipsey Hussle. These are my 2 nieces calling me. Hey, ladies. Hey, Carly. Hey, Gabby. I'm filming a YouTube Boxycharm unboxing. Can I call you back? Okay, I'll call right back.
Wait, can you give me a shout out?
Oh, shout out to @diamond_me. That's MEHI me. Okay, my niece is calling me on FaceTime. Aren't they the cutest? Okay. All right, I'm gonna call you back.
Okay.
Yes, I love my nieces. Oh, they just light up my life. I only have. Now I know I just told them I'll record them back. Anyway, thank y'all for stopping by. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on all social media @britneyschanel with the S. Yes, my mom put a little flair on that. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Peace, love, and hair grease. What do they want?